So I bought this piece of fondant thinking it was just white fondant, but alas, to my dismay, it turned out to be some superficially discolored reverse Kamaboko fondant. What the heck? I want my money back, man.
Hello, Professor Rosemary here and welcome to my lab. So it's here, Gen 4 remakes. Well, not really here, but almost. Well then, time to make space for a BDSP related video. See what I did there? Time and space? Ah, puns. Now, when it comes to legendary Pokemon, the most daunting question for me is, just how do I condense the gods of time and space's design and concept into a food idea that's actually doable? Well, lucky for me, I have amazing and talented friends, who suggested that I can turn Dialga and Palkia into Tsum Tsum style cake pops. Plus, I can showcase a cake recipe on this channel, since that hasn't been done yet. So yeah, with that said, let's get making. Here's what you'll need. Allow your ingredients to come to room temperature before starting. So like I said, allow your ingredients to sit and come to room temperature before starting. When ready, start by creaming together your butter and sugar, letting the sugar crystals work their magic until it's dissolved and the butter is pale, light and fluffy. Next, add your eggs, one at a time, making sure it's well mixed before adding the next one. Following that, sift your flour, which I forgot to film, and mix until just combined. Careful not to overmix it, we're making cake pops here, not bread pops. Lastly, mix in your milk until just combined. Transfer the batter into a lined 9-inch pan and bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when you jab a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. Allow your cake to cool completely before our next step or enjoying as is. So for the cake pops, I plan to make pearls and diamonds alongside Chibi, Dialga and Palkia. For the parts that have to stand on their own, I made them a day ahead to give them enough time to dry. But Malaysia's a pretty humid place and it's been raining a lot too. So I added some CMC to my fondant to help it dry faster, mixing well and allowing it to rest for 20 minutes before using. And with that ready, we can get cake popping. Start by reducing your cake into crumbs with your hands or with a food processor. Then take a tablespoon of your crumbs and shape them into spheres. For the diamonds, I'm shaping the crumbs into a flat-topped bicone like so. If your crumbs feel too dry to shape, you may mix in things like cake frosting or Nutella to get the right consistency. My crumbs here contain about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter because that's what I had on hand. Next, melt some white chocolate over hot water or in a microwave, dip in a popsicle stick, then jab it into your cake pops. The hardened chocolate will help hold our pops in place. Now with more melted chocolate, I'm going to color them according to what I need. Then dipping in the corresponding cake pop, and setting them in a stand or in a cup to firm up. I found that an egg tray works pretty well as a cake pop stand too. Once the chocolate is set, I'm painting on the facets of the diamonds. Then brushing on some edible luster dust to finish off the diamonds and pearls. Okay, so the diamonds looked a lot better in my head, but you'll always be a diamond in my heart, my little cake pop. As for miniature deities, I shall bring them to life with the pre-made fondant pieces, as well as some freshly shaped ones, all attached using melted chocolate. And with that, we are done. So here we are, BDSM? Wait, BDSP cake pops. Are you on Team Brilliant Diamond or Team Shining Pearl? Do you plan to get both or neither? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you guys can try this out, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!